It's just quiet. Light breeze. Pine Mountain Club. I think this one, with all the footage and everything I have, is going to be a little bit longer. There are chapters down below. If you wanted to skip around, I'll show you the different sections. There's chapters. And again, I have rental links down below. If you're interested in renting something and trying gear that you never thought you'd be able to afford or that you don't have, check it out. All right, I'm recording. JonnyPink, I think I'm in frame because I'm not using my, oh, hello. JonnyPink. It's interesting how... Where are you? I'm in Pine Mountain Club. I'm filming anamorphic, of course, because why not? I'm filming on the R3, and this is Canon's R1. Why not? I am seeing birds here. Where are you? That I have never seen. I came out here for the morning to kind of get away from things. It was really cold on the way up here. My car, I thought I was having problems with it when it showed me 16 degrees through the canyons. Our high today here in Pine Mountain Club is supposed to be about 45. Where are you? Oh. Are those the little mountain chickadees? They're really, really, really cute. So as soon as I got here, the water feature there, and the light has changed because when I got here, it was coming in this way. So that was a little bit in sun. I wasn't pushing the ISO too much, but I've shot stellar jays. I shot a hawk that was up on the wire over there. I did say stellar jay. And the other ones that I don't know what they are, a couple I have never ever seen before. I'll list them on the screen here. I'm interrupting the last video just for a minute. Now I'm filming on the R7 with the 35mm anamorphic lens, and yes, I absolutely love anamorphic lenses. They're so awesome. Yeah, the other ones are much clearer, and of course I do plan on playing with a cine lens at some point. Why? Why not, man? Just because it's fun. So I still have the R1 and I'm back here. This is a different day, but what I realized is that I didn't have any. I shot some R3 footage too, or I should say I shot some R3 photos. So I'm going to show you a couple of those. Both of these cameras are absolutely amazing. And also, the other thing I'm filming is I have, oh boy, oh, he ran away, that's a little squirrel. The other thing I have going is I'm just filming the water feature. Animals love water, so if you're out in the wilderness, man, put a plate of water out there and you'll have lots of them. I could put some seed, which I forgot at home, and a little perch off to the side, and then I could do something like that. I can't leave it out here because it'll be against the rules for here, but I could do it while I was sitting here shooting, so I might have to do that next time. And as long as I sit here quietly, all the birds come back. Oh, Claire's here.
Lucky you.
So let me show you some photos, as I said, with the R3, and then I'll go back. I just had to come back here. It's absolutely stunning and beautiful. Check these out. So being out here, it's not just shooting birds there. They're in the trees. They're everywhere. I did not get the sapsucker, so I'm going to have to keep trying for that. There's bluebirds out here. They're really skittish. The California chickadees, I think that's the first time I have actually seen those. There's a lot of juncos. And in the trees, they're really, really cool. There's a robin up there. So adding to this video, yeah, I have a GoPro going on the water feature too, just letting those birds do their thing, man. I'd like to get a star here. There's one right here. Thank you, little robin. Oh, absolutely stellar. Not a stellar jay, but let me show you the birds up in the trees, because it's just a different perspective. And I personally, I know everybody has different tastes. They want clean. I like a messy background. I like seeing the birds half covered by something in the bushes. I love those shots. And it's all okay, man. If that's what you like, awesome. If you like it super clean, that's okay too, because it's artwork. That was a stellar jay. I'm gonna go see if I can get that. Check these out, and I'll meet you back here from my other day's stuff. I'm gonna go back this way. And of course, you know, just as soon as you get up there, it's like they're live and they start moving around and they run away. Oh, that robin is still on the, oh, awesome. Now I'm going to sit here for a little bit longer and see if I can get anything else. Just something a little bit different. How and why am I shooting on the R1 and shooting on the R3 at the same time? Life is short, man. Is it a rental or did I accidentally purchase it? As I said, if they give me credit, bully on you, man. That's just too bad. Oh. It'll be interesting to see if I can pull out, because it's so dark in there now, to see if I can pull out any of the, I think it's time to go eat. My stomach is grumbling. JonnyPink, man, thanks for letting me share with you guys. I do appreciate it. I kind of hope I'm in frame. I just wanted to keep this really, really simple. Really, really simple. I'm shooting on an R3 and an R1 with a 600 f4 and a 1.4 extender. Life is short, man. Live as hard as you can. Thank you for letting me share with you guys. I do appreciate it. Have a fantastic day, whatever it is you're going to do. And if you haven't seen any of, I was shooting with an R10. I was asked to do a review on that, so I did, and I rented the 600 f4. If you haven't seen that, I put out 3 different videos. One was the first time I went out with it. The other was the second day shooting hummingbirds. But I also realized that I had so many other shots that I hadn't used using the 100 to 500, which is a phenomenal lens. A little older now, you know, but anyway, that one I'll list all of them listed right here. Give it a thumbs up, please. Share it with somebody. If you have not, please feel free to subscribe. It's absolutely free. It helps out the channel a little bit. I don't need anything except a thumbs up. And if you watched it all the way to the end here, please give it a heart down in the comments and a thumbs up. All right, we'll see you guys. I'm going back to shooting now. I hope I'm in frame. I really, really do. I gotta move to a different location and see if I can't get some better light. Oh, I have to get some of those birds in a different location. I'm gonna wander around. JonnyPink, man, thanks again. We'll see ya. Oh yeah. And by the way, I was told I am not quite this way. Real wildlife photographer, you need 45 megapixels. So just remember that next time you go out shooting your one of your older DSLRs at 20 megapixels, huh? JonnyPink, the sun's really coming out now, and I didn't adjust for that.